Okay, so we're going to look at how to make a form. So for the demonstration, we're going to make a pizza order form so you can order a pizza online. Okay, so I've just set up some basic things here. So HTML and head tags with a title with pizza order there. And then I've got a body, H2, place your order, and a paragraph just describing that. Okay, so if we were to run that, it looks just like this. Okay, nothing special thus far. So we're going to start off with our form tag, and in that action equals mail to, and then you put in your email address there. So we're just going to type your email at your email.com, and the method for that equals post. Okay, now to format the form, we're going to make it all fall within a table. We're not going to worry about a border or anything like that, so we'll just leave that tag as is, and we'll just close our table tag there, and we'll close our form underneath there as well. Okay. Now we'll start off with a row. In that row, we're going to put in some data. So table data, your name. Close that, and another cell, TD, and we're going to use input, and the type equals text. Okay, so it's going to be a typable area. The name of that text box is name, and we'll set the size to 30. Okay, and we'll end that input tag there. Okay, and we'll end our table data cell there, and then we're going to go back and end our table row. Now we'll start another table row, table data, phone. This is much the same as the first one we just did. End our table data, and another one, getting messages, table data, and input. It's fun, isn't it? Input, type. In fact, let's just copy that one. And there's one thing we're going to have to change, because we can't have the same thing twice. We're going to change that. We'll just put PH for phone, and we're going to put in max length. I can't type today. There we go. Max length equals 10, and we're going to put a value in there, which will be a number you can ring. We'll put a space there. Okay. So far we have our heading and our paragraph that was already set. Then your name. In there, it's a typable thing, so you put a name in there, and phone, so you put your phone number in there. Now that's the value we've already preset, but you'd want to put something else in there, okay? And our max length on that one is 10, so I'm trying to type, but I can't put anything more in there. So if we were to count up, and 10, okay? I can't put any more in there, okay? Because that's our max length value we'll put there. Okay, close that, and okay, I better close, oops, I better finish off that table data cell, and I better finish off the table row cell as well, table row tag as well. Okay, what else do you need to know when you order a pizza? The size, table data, let's put this one in bold, okay, because the size is very important. When you're ordering a pizza, you don't want to go hungry. And our bold tag, and our table data, and got to end it before we start another one. Table row, table data. And in this one, we're going to put in family. Okay, TD. And we'll do another tag, TD. And in this one, I'm going to put in input and type. You'll understand why I've typed family in a second. Okay, it will make sense. Type equals radio. Okay, and name is going to be size. We have to put that in quotations. Size, and the value for that one is family. Okay. I'm just gonna show you that. So what we've done is type family, and then next to that we have a corresponding radio button. Okay, so what we're going to have is all the sizes listed, and next to them will be a radio button that will be selected. Okay, so for that, what we'll do, speed it up, we'll just copy all of that, and we're going to paste it 3 more times. Okay, so we'll have large, and the value of this one will be large. Then we'll have small, and the value of that one will be small. Oh, I've got an extra one, haven't I? That should be large, sorry. Oh, large, and we'll just get rid of that one because we've only got the 3 sizes. Okay, so we'll save that, and here we go. So we've got a radio button, so you can only select one. Now, what you need to make sure is the name for a radio input type is the same. Okay, so if this one was different, so if I put in, say, size 2, it's not going to work. I could select, oh, I'm going to refresh that. I could select more than one input at a time. Okay, so make sure that the name of an input for a radio is the same. Okay, there we go. So it should be like that. Okay, all right. What else have we got? Need to know how many pizzas you want to order. Okay, so we'll do another table row, table data. In that table data, we'll type how many? Question mark. Okay, and do another table data cell, another input. The type of this one can be a text. And we've got to set a name, how many. And because you don't want people ordering too much, better set a size for that as well. So let's just make it 4. And we'll finish that one off. Close our table data cell. And close our table row. And we need to know what type of pizza they're ordering. So we'll start another row, start another one of them, and we'll type. Close our table data. Start a new table data. And this one, because we've got multiple types, we'll do a different type of input. So we're going to type select name equals type, and the size can be 4, and multiple can be multiple. Okay. And option. So we know what we have there. Value equals, what have we got? The lot. And in there we'll type the lot. And we'll close that option tag. Let's say we have 4 different types of pizza. So we'll just copy that, paste it down, and let's say Aussie there as well. So Aussie. Let's say they have a barbecue chicken. Type in barbecue chicken here. And what else have we got? Vegetarian. Okay. And that. Oh, we also have to, I forgot, we have to end our select tag there as well. Okay. And we'll go down and end our table row. Save that. And there we go. So how many, okay. And you can also choose what type of pizza it is. Okay. And let's see what else have we got. If you want to pick up. Data, and we're going to go row span equals 2. And we're going to do an input type radio, and the name of that one is going to be pickup. Goodness. Pickup or deliver. I'm going to do a BR. Oh, I made a mistake there. Make sure I close that tag up. And we'll do that tag again. Radio pickup or deliver. Okay. Close that one. Like so. And on the next row, table data, this one's going to say deliver. Okay. Now the reason we've got it like this is so that this one lines up with the second tag, this one lines up with the first tag. Okay. Deliver, and we'll finish off that table row there. Oops. Okay, and if there's any other delivery info, just put this in and put it in bold text as well. And that data and the row. And we've got to put in a time as well. So another one. Table data cell, delivery time. And another table data. And we'll do the same as we've done up here. So with the select and the options. Delivery time. And we'll just put in a few options there. Make it say 6:30. Oops. 6:30. Close that option. And we'll do say 3 or 4 options there. Let's just increment it by hours, hey? Oh. And we need to close that select tag. And the last thing you want to do on a form is you want to be able to submit it or clear it. Okay, so we're going to put an input type in here. This one is going to be submit. value of that one is going to equal submit order, and we'll put it in another one, and this one's going to be of type reset. Okay, reset order. Okay, and finishing the box there. So when we run that, what it's going to look like is this. Okay, so we've got our delivery info down here, different options there. If we were to put in an order, let's just put in some gibberish here. If you hit the reset button, clears it all. If you submit the order, it sends everything the person has ordered to the corresponding email address you've put up the top here. Okay, that's about everything we need to cover. Thanks for watching.